For a glide bait video today, by custom request, we're doing a crappie pattern. And the pic he sent me, see if you can see that. So we're going to start off with our underlying colors, and we're going to go with that as our initial color. Then below that, we got a custom color we made, and I'll give you the mix ratios and all that at the end. So that's our basic two base colors, and then I'm going to go with some pearl white, really pearl white all over. Especially on that belly. And I'd already base coated it. A little bit of pearl white in that base coat mix. Now I'm painting this one with the tail end. This particular lure came with a dark colored one and a clear one, so I thought I'd go ahead for the customer and do the clear. So really after that, on these particular crappie patterns, is we're going to use some FX texture. You can do sponge, you can do, a lot of different things. But I'm going to come in with some magenta black, and we're just going to kind of set in the textures of this crappie. Is lifelike looking. And I want this to be a little irregular at the top, make it look more lifelike, as far as even the top color. What I was going to say is I like to come in after the magenta and fill in, do a little bit of the darker black and create some depth. So get that fin here. Let's come back on this side, do a little more on the fin. Pretty nice. Not a bad start. Now I'm going to come back with the other one. Now I'm going to switch out my magenta for a little dark black. Just add a little pearl green up at the top. Let that kind of inset and flow over. A little bit of that magenta. A little bit on the gill. And then we'll come back with our jet black. Now I'm just coming back with a little bit of the jet black, giving a little bit of darker contrast in the center, right down that lateral line. All right, colors that went into it. White base coat, pearl white over that. Make sure to keep the belly good and pearl white. We then took our 3 drops of an illustration base or any kind of reducer, but the base works real good. 1, maybe 2 drops of pearl lime and regular 3 drops of regular white or pearl white. These 2 colors gave us that off-white, yellowish looking color in the just below the lateral line. The underlying color that we first did was Detail Viridian. We then overlaid our stencils and done black, magenta. We came back over the top with a jet black and we spritzed it, the top half of the bait on the shoulders up with a pearl green. Black crappie. Once we get the clear coat on, we'll do some final picks. So y'all make sure you stay around. Appreciate you stopping in and watching the channel. And Jeff, I hope you like the patterns. And we will see you guys next week.